Hello everyone, welcome you all. As you all know that we have started discussing about the national parks and tiger reserve. Today we are going to see in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Let us begin with the Kamlang Tiger Reserve. As you all know that it is very important tiger reserve in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. It is named after the Kamlang River which flows through it. And also note on that it lies between Lang River and Namdaba National Park. And also this wildlife in the park is similar to that found in the contiguous area of the Namdaba Tiger Reserve. And what are the major faunas? Elephant, tiger, leopard, stump-tailed macaque, and then cap lancer and hornbills, flying squirrels. So these are the major faunas present here. See these facts one has to note down related to the exam perspective. With this, I am moving with Mauling National Park. See, this Mauling National Park is the part of Mauling National Park and Daibang Wildlife Sanctuary, and also it is within the Daihang and Daibang Biosphere Reserve. We will discuss briefly about this in the biosphere session. See, this the terrain is rugged with an altitude range of 750 to 3000 meter at the highest point. That is nothing but the Mauling Peak. And also note that the important river, Sherm River, which flows along with the western fringe of that park. And also it flows into the Shang River. What do you mean by Shang River? That is important. It's nothing but the Brahmaputra River, which is famously called as Shang in Arunachal Pradesh. It is nearby the eastern boundary of that park. And also note down that climate extremely humid, heavy rainfall, and no well-defined dry season. And what about the vegetation? It is the tropical forest at lower altitude to most temperate forest at altitude above 200 meter. Kindly remember those points. And with respect to the fauna, see Indian leopards, Bengal tiger, barking deer, squirrel, red panda, and then takin are present here. So this is the important fact. So kindly go through this and take down important points, etc., related to the exam perspective. And then I am moving with the Namdaba Tiger Reserve. As you all know that it is very important tiger reserve present in Arunachal Pradesh. Let us discuss about this. See, it is located between the Dapai Bang range of the Mismi Hills and also Patkai range with the wide elevation. This is the range between 200 and 457 meter. Kindly note down this fact also. And what about it is the river? Okay, kindly remember New Digging River. So that is important. It originates at the Chaukan Pass. That is important. And also note down that it is crossed from east to west. And also note down that the vegetation that is also important. See, it's a evergreen, moist, deciduous to temperature, broad-leaved, and coniferous forest types to alpine vegetation. And also note down that the park has extensive bamboo forest. See, if you found bamboo forest, then automatically the answer would be Namdaba Tiger Reserve. And also note down that the major fauna present here are Namdapa flying squirrel. It's endemic to that park only. What do you mean by endemic? See, endemic is nothing but the state of a species that is being native to the single defined geographical. That is nothing but the endemic. And also note on that the four pantherine species, that is leopard and then snow leopard tiger and then clouded leopard, is present in this tiger reserve. And other predators like sun bear, Indian wolf, and Asiatic black bear are also present here. Here, note down that this Nampata flying squirrel is the critically endangered. I have just given you as CR. CR means critically endangered. And what about the large herbivorous? So Indian elephant and then wild boar, musk deer, oak deer, sambar, and then barrel, that is blue sheep. And what about the non-human primates? See, stump-tailed macaque and then Asami macaque and then rhesus macaque are present here. So this is nothing but important facts related to the Namdaba Tiger Reserve. With this, I am moving with the Paki. The Paki is famously important, so kindly note down Paki Tiger Reserve also. It lies in the foothill of the Himalayas, that is in Paki Kestang district, at the altitude ranging from 150 to 2000 meter. And also note down that this reserve is known for Great Indian Hornbill. That is very important. See, the Great Indian Hornbill means it's a Paki Tiger Reserve. The Hornbill Nest Adaptation Program also important related to the Paki, and then it is bounded by Kamang River in the west and north, and then in the east it is passed by the Paki River. Towards the south and southeast, the sanctuary adjoins Assam's Namri National Park. Towards the west, it is bounded by Nest Wildlife Sanctuary and Shishasha Assist Sanctuary. So kindly remember those points. And what about the vegetation? It's a lowland semi-green and evergreen forest and Himalayan broadleaf forest. What about major fauna present here? Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, clouded leopard, elephant, barking deer, somber. So these are the important major fauna present here. See, one has to note these important facts related to the Tiger Reserve and National Park. With this, I am concluding this session. We will meet in the next session. Thank you all. Have a good day.